To adjust audio settings, press the audio control dial to select automatic level control, bass, treble, front to rear fade, side to side balance, beep sound on or off, or Bluetooth audio device setup. Then, turn the audio control dial to adjust the selected setting. The 6 preset channels can be used to store 6 AM and 12 FM stations. To set a channel, first select AM, FM1, or FM2. Tune to the desired station. Press and hold the channel preset button until a beep sounds. The station is now held in the memory. Repeat this operation for the other stations and bands you want to store. To tune a station in the memory, select AM, FM1, or FM2, and then press the station's channel preset button. To automatically scan and temporarily store up to 6 stations with the strongest frequencies in each AM or FM band, press and hold the auto memory button until a beep sounds. To tune an auto-stored station, press and release the auto memory button to recall one stored station at a time. To play a CD, insert the CD into the slot, label side up. The auto-loading mechanism will load the CD and begin to play it. To select a track on a music CD, press the track button up or down. To select a folder on an MP3 or WMA CD, press the folder button up or down.